If you are also planning to buy a new 5G smartphone these days, then today's video is for you. Today we are going to give you information about a latest smartphone of Samsung, in which you are going to get Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with 200 megapixel camera, that too at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. If we talk about the display of the mobile, then you will get to see a 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display inside this great smartphone. In which, along with 144 Hz refresh rate, touch sampling rate of 360 Hz is going to be available. Apart from that, you will also get to see in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Camera setup. Now talking about the camera quality of the mobile, you will get to see a setup of 4 cameras at the back of this great smartphone, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, the setup of 3 other cameras of 32 megapixels, 13 megapixels and 8 megapixels will be seen in it. Talking about the selfie camera, you will get to see a 64 megapixel front selfie camera. Performance. If we talk about the processor of the mobile, you will get to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor in this great smartphone. Talking about the same operating system, you will get Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Now talking about the excellent battery backup of the mobile, a big battery of 5500 mAh will be seen inside the smartphone, which supports 120-watt fast charging. Apart from this, Type-C charging socket and stereo speakers will be available. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of the mobile, its price is expected to be around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.